Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Etiefo, me mo bibi akwaba eba Melodies TV so. The president of the land, President Akufo-Addo, officially at the nkrata ababonten. Na nkrata mu no, President Akufo-Addo released a list of 27 ministries. Womo designated ministers no list so ababonten. Na you see, we share the constitution of the appointment committee here our parliament. The truth of the matter is the NDC is now the the kingmakers. Sana was a mekano. Sisiano, ye can ministers will be to me and myself ministers no. Woma babe than ministers and the appointed ministers and the designated ministers na babe than real ministers are the NDC. Let me explain. If you see the construction or the constituents of the appointment committee, it is made up of 26 people. 13 CCA NDC, 13 MPP. But MPP for nipa ba only votes. Who is the chairman of the committee? One only vote until say there is a tie. Into wo you no free mo a CCA no ye can vote pa NDC was 13 votes, MPP was 12. Into say will be back na wapese wabeda ni minister no about through the appointment committee. Na NDC for 13 nini na decided say wo monto man di pakro na whether you like it or not, the person will not become a minister. Into the CCA no inter me explain American say NDC are the kingmakers when it comes to ministerial positions in this country. There are some specific people there, from what we are hearing from different NDC people, there are some specific people there. Woma bomo to ho. Say sankrofo womo ba. E san say womo di NDC party ninya first term intino. Sankrofo yembo mungu. There are some specific people be ewo ho NDC for abomo to ho sa. And because right now they are the kingmakers intino, it will be a very tough time for these people to pass through as ministers. Enti President Akufo-Addo ne 27 list na wade abano. Mebo enkrofo ni din na edu ne bako ne so a metre say onipa we say ni no ye yenti a NDC for ebia wo mo empasse no. And na me no kasa even the MPP caucus in parliament at a press conference can said the constitution of that appointment committee no, it has not been done right because they know for sure say CCA no say ye di 2 million akoshe NDC for nsem ne de e be yedwe the afenu marking eba abonten omo be press conference can so bearing any foreseeable changes as it is standing now, NDC are the kingmakers when it comes to ministerial positions in this country. Now yanko list neso. And then let's see those who might be getting problems with the NDC. 1. National Security, Albert Kandapa. He's still maintaining his position. Now, what share senior National Security from the Ayawaso West Wagon incident is see here? What share senior NDC for complaining said CCA Bibia near National Security near the yes ya. I don't know, but Albert Kandapa there, ebia he might get a pass. Ebi so a NDC for no, ebe to me akase dabi wo ye ma wonko. Now, aside that no, finance ministry and a finance minister still Ken Ofori-Atta. Na Ken Ofori-Atta there, I can say for sure say NDC for be ye the omo be ye bia say Ken Ofori-Atta woman man than finance minister. And now all the NDC will have to do and say if they don't want Ken Ofori-Atta to become the finance minister, whether he does well in the vetting committee, when he goes on the vetting committee, whether he does well or not. So woman be so will be than the finance minister. NDC for 13 na e board ne so no. All they have to do and they say omo voting no, emano, because Emrane say se nipa kono wo pass through the vetting na we nya 50% a nipa kono sebe won bedane minister NDC for ni na so eto abanu no the person will not get 50%. It is pure maths. It is simple mathematics. It is meaning said and say the yana mass one we e Ghana has it. But what share the total year we NDC for 13 actually I said divided by 25 into NDC for vote 0.52 into 2% of finding the percentage NDC for kita 52%. NDC for kita 52%. Into NDC for na eto abama say no we benya 48%. Now some brand say when you have 50% on the minister. Into once you go through the vetting and NDC for na to no pay na MPP for na to yes emma ewo committee na so when you 48%. So you see the whole thing. It is here na kwa say MPP for no monsa kwa share NDC enum. Na the entire makers the finance minister Kenoforiata ebia obenya asem ne say one NDC for the biomoka say a president Akufo-Addo ninua e na ode na kwa share ho. Aside that no de bia NDC for ba bonte be ka say Ghana bosia bia ye kwa akogye no Kenoforiata company e na hye echi a sika ne ba wo nso eti sika ne bi NDC for complaining about sade ne da. In fact NDC for the Kenoforiata say the first time no wo mo say Kenoforiata conflict of interest bia ba nanka yin free so as minister e man sem no koya na so anko siaga. So they've even tried before to remove Kenoforiata as minister na so anko siaga. So imagine say Sisiano they have the opportunity to remove the person or not to make the person become a finance minister at all. The Kenoforiata you be a one sheni year NDC for ni na to man say no pe na so be she e bia won ba than the finance minister. The next person a trade and industry Alan Tremantin. Alan Tremantin for the first time no I don't think he really had problem with the NDC that way, because you see why this thing is also happening. They say the NDC grassroots have also sent message to these NDC MPs say hey monkai enkrofo yade a wo mo de yen it will be back appointment committee in so you know what to do. That is the message they sent. Yeah, it is not supposed to be that way, but we know how this country, the nature of the politics is. Usha Defense Minister and so Honorable Dominic Nitiwu and also NDC for Abonat Work Accra Usha Nansenya Yema soldiers for Eba Parliament House. Senaka wo mo tackle NDC for claim say ye yusu electric shock ewo one of them MPs ne so a eno so ya ade bia Dominic Nitiwu no omo de blame ne to ne so say eyo no e na wo to nsa fresh ankrofo no ono so ya ade bia wan hwe yi a NDC for ebetwe na so was ade na wo ye ne ho if indeed it is him. Interior Minister Ambrose Derry one so you see NDC actually has problem with those handling the security issues in this country. And no more handle security issues no ewo my way no. Omo ye the National Security Minister Albert Kandapa, the Defense Minister designate and the Interior Minister designate, which is who are Dominic Nitiwu and Ambrose Derry respectfully. Inti anon le eye nsemwa edaho. So when it comes to the security side, Osha I feel that these people and Gasamoko committee in Gofubi or mobile NDC for Bomo to what da in Gofubi so wa ya Bomo to what da na so ba na wo be church in some any so e bi o mema wa pass me hu ne se wo bi to say finance minister dey ya born out to what da nti ono de wo ba na wo be church in some na nyame ambo akra na e bia na anko siaga. Foreign Affairs and Regional Integration Shirley Ayokobotri also I think she actually have a pass. Attorney General and Minister for Justice Godfred Dame, and also I think he will have a pass. Local government and decentralization and rural development, Honorable Dan Butchie, MP, one also Parliamentary Affairs, Honorable Osechi Mensah Bonsu, one also he have a pass. Communications and digitization, Esla Owusu. Now this is where the problem is. One, in the first place, Esla Owusu nankasa na NDC for abonato. Enyama wa ye parliament in Tokwana. Aside that no, Esla Owusu under wonu ni ministry na NDC for wo radio stations ni TV stations up to now ye close your mo down. Mokai Radio Gold ni sansen bebre no Mahama Kraka sa wo so. Inti Esla Owusu there, she has a special case with the NDC people. Say we close your radio station, your TV stations down no, and also can home. Now, the other thing they say, Esla Owusu is also part of the appointment committee. Not just say, and now Esla Owusu so obeba vetting no, MPP will short another member. Sisia assistants no, NDC with their full members, MPP with their full members no, NDC has 52% of the votes. Now, Esla Owusu sounds so bad vetting now. MPP be short another member, not just say NDC, woman number na kosrubium. Inti Esla Owusu is also part of the vetting committee. One so ya born to her. Inti, let's see how that turns out. Very, very interesting. Very, very, very interesting. The next person is food and agriculture. Dr. Owusu Efriye Akoto. One also, I think, yeah, fairly. Okay, energy, Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempe. This is Matthew Opoku Prempe, you need for education, the Nakwa share energy. That's also cool. Education, Dr. Yao, or say Educhum, or no, there, I can tell you for a fact, will be a person. Sa papa no. In fact, Onumpo, senior or the politics, no. In fact, even NDC for crap and ask him, Sa papa no. I think he's a very, very noble man. One time Tenekasa, one day he's all about the work, so core grounds. And Dana, we are another former deputy education minister now or under a year Matthew Opoku Prempe. But so sure, no pan no core grounds. Utumiko in class or train colade, we are no deputy minister. Utumiko in class school be no train colana de Yamanina. I say because no a teacher and son of better than it no only made you so. It will not be I can tell you for a fact say NDC for be pass the pan because he doesn't really do a lot of politics. We ye Jumanankasa other than the politics no. So I think for him he will actually have a pass. Health Ministry Kweku Ajima Menu and also the same person. Lands and Natural Resources Samuel Abdullahi Jinapo Samuel Abdullahi Jinapo, who was I think the deputy chief of staff. Sisiano Wababa Benya position as Wababa Benya position as Lands and Natural Resources Minister. Okay, Roads and Highways. Honorable Kwesi Amwakon Atta, and also the same person. Now, the shocking one, any Works and Housing. Sisia Yediama Honorable Francis Asenso Boache. Inti Asenso Boache, any Abdullahi Jinapo, woman and now woman deputy chief of staff. Sisia Asenso Boache, Baba Belidi, Works and Housing. Now, some ministry no, na President Akufo-Addo nankasa ne family member I friend Atachia, wono na some ministry no will handle, but Sisia ya Jeff in same Ediama Asenso Boache. Inti no, I don't know whether Atachia will be reassigned, but that's what is coming through. Transport, Kweku Ofori Isiama. Fisheries and Aquaculture Development, Miss Mavis, Hawa Kumsen. Now, Hawa Kumsen, so NDC for Abia no more manam pass it through. Because ye name sa etio na or watching yano. Into Hawa Kumsen, our hot railway development, Peter Mewu, formerly of Energy, no Sisia the Aquaculture Railway. Sanitation and Water Resources, Cecilia Abinadapa. Osha Tourism, Arts and Culture, Awa Muhammad. Gender, Children and Social Protection, Sarah Adjwasafo. Into Adjwasafo Koteki, Ministry of Gender, Children and okay, that's cool. Chieftaincy and Religious Affairs, Ebenezer Kojokum. Environment, Science, Technology and Innovation, Dr. Kweku Efriye. Not to say Yajefi, Professor Frimpong Boateng, Yajefi in him. Also ne ohwe ne nsensema ebaaye galamsey ene sa excavators ne nsema sisia no yaje sa ministry ne fin nsem diama Dr. Kweku Efriye. Now, employment and labor relations, Ignatius Bafuewa, and information Honorable Kojo Nkrumah. Intino, these so far are the 27 people President Akufo-Addo what the list no aba ministers designates actually say wɔpɛ sɛ wɔn ɛkɔ parliament appointment committee na yɛkɔ vɛti wɔn nti no sisi adeɛ the boys in the court of these people as well they know say sisi ano NDC ɛna handle appointment committee no so wɔn ankɔbɔ mɔden wɔ hɔ a ebi ana NDC for pass you see. And what I'm saying is this particular system, if it will be used very well or for the good of Ghana, because first no obia buy ya pass no obia buy ya wo ya ade o anya ade ya pass no because oko appointment committee ne so a na nipa ko we win parliament do no ne nkrofo ne do so nti omu na vote pe wa pass. But this time around the opposition has the power on the appointment committee. Nti wo ba ne ye hena say o first time o koye nyama bi a ye nia ya tutia wa ye mpasew nti ene na ye ade da ho mo ntwa mo ade comment box mo me da se